Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव देव बरो दीस दिवं and येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक वेल क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. एंड आयज हाडला आमची गवाराची भाजी. फुगात म्हणून येता गवाराची भाजी गोंयाचे भाशेन. सो ते हांव दाखयता. सो टुडे आय एम कम अप विथ क्लस्टर बीन्स वेजिटेबल in a Goan style, and you can say it Foogath or you can say it's Goan cluster beans. Again, my grandmother's recipe. So I'm so blessed that I was there when she was there, and when she left me and gone, I do miss her, but I am bringing up her all these recipes. So let's start. So for that we need cluster beans, and I have taken this quarter kg of cluster beans, and it's very easy. When you get it, wash it, and then you have to break it like this. Now if it is tender, you don't get anything inside, but if it is not tender, then you will get some sides, and I am not going to waste this also. So like this. So simple. This is very tender, and now you will get it in Goan field, or you can grow it in your home also. And just of one you can make 3 or 2 depending, and wash it and keep it aside. The other ingredients I'm going to use is around 1 tablespoon of oil for frying this onion, 3 green chilies, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 1 tablespoon of this chana dal, okay, and gram flour. Then I have taken around 2 big tablespoons of coconut, and I'll be using turmeric powder a little bit of cumin seeds, and little bit of coriander powder. That's it. Salt for taste. Let's start. So let's add our oil, and we'll add in this oil, let it become hot, and we'll add our cumin seeds. So I am adding around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and we'll add our dal to roast it nicely. On slow fire. And we will add our onion to this. Very simple vegetable, less of masala to this. And you know, once some in Goa vegetable mostly you can add coconut. Now if you don't want to add coconut, for those people who don't want to add coconuts, please you can avoid that coconut also. And I will add 2 green chilies now and 1 chili afterwards. Now we will add our turmeric powder, which is around half teaspoon of turmeric powder for this, and half teaspoon of coriander powder. This is it, my masala. And now for this time we will add our salt to taste. Salt I add very less, but you can add little bit of more if you want. And now we will add our cut vegetables. And slow, on a low flame, just now we'll close this by adding our coconut. So now I will add this coconut to this, grated coconut, and this chili also, this chili one, and I will cover this and I will cook this on low flame for 8 minutes. If you want to add little bit of water, you can add water to this. So now I will cover this and cook this for 8 minutes. So here it is covered, and let it get cooked in a low flame. Okay, we'll check in few minutes and we'll see if you need to add little water, but this is very tender. So if your cluster is not tender, then you can add water to that. जरी तर तुमची टिटकी मिटकी गवारची भाजी जरी तर टिटकी मिटकी कोंकणीन म्हणटा आणि गवार आमी हिंदीन म्हणटा आणि क्लस्टर आमी इंग्लिशीन म्हणटा. सो जर तर तुमची टिटकी मिटकी जून आसा जाल्यार तुमी उदक मातशें घालूं येता. ट्राय करात जितले बरे कच्चे तन्ने कहे मेवता न्हू, बरे जून हाडिनाका, पोवन मातशें हाडात. ओके, शेतांतले मेवता जाल्यार एकदम बरें, एकदम बरें. So after 5 minutes, it's like this. The 5 मिनटां उपरांत तेचेच तेका उदक बरें सुटलां नाल्लाचें, कांद्याचें. Now, for those people who want to add sugar, you can add sugar. So they think that cluster beans are bitter or something. So if you want to add sugar or jaggery, you can add. I am not going to add. Another 5 minutes and it's done, because I can see this. Another 5 minutes we need when it's done. And here my Titkeo Midki cluster is cooked, because the color is changed and it's cooked nicely. So it's ready to serve, and at this moment I will just leave my green chili, slitted green chili, ready to serve. Enjoy your Titkeo Mitkeo cluster gavar sabji. Not spicy, but still yum. Thank you so much.